Hi royalties. Today's video is home decor related and it is the Spring is in the Air Tablescape 2021. I am co-hosting, but if you're not a family member of this royal family, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. And this Spring is in the Air Tablescape 2021 is hosted by Creatively MsMe with Stephanie. I'm dropping her channel link down in the description box. Now, if you're not a family member of Miss Stephanie, please go over to her channel and check her out. She has some very amazing content. She does some clean with me, get ready with me. She does makeup. She does things to make YouTube easier for you. She does everything lifestyle. Please go over and check her out. I promise you she will not disappoint you. And to everyone, I'm including this link for this HOOCHI diamond rhinestone sheets that I am in sponsorship with. I partner with. I'm dropping their information in the description box. And this is that gold sheet. Look at the sparkle on this diamond sheet. And here's that ice blue. Now these sheets are very high quality. I would recommend them. And I'm just including this clip because I actually added some of this rhinestone on my wine glasses. But look at the look and the sheen off of these diamonds. And this is their AB sheet as well. They have also several different colors. I'm telling you everyone, the camera's not doing these pieces any justice. But make sure you check out HOOCHI. I'm going to drop my link. And again, these small sheets are the 900 count, and this larger sheet is the 9,000 count. You can get the larger sheet for $5.99 and the 900 count for $1.99. Make sure you use my discount code to actually get that at a discounted price. This is for all you bling girls and guys. Make sure you check them out. Again, this is that AB sheet. Here's that ice blue sheet. And here's that gold sheet. And that silver sheet as well. Now here's that wine glass that I did add it on there. And I will tell you, I was pulling on it. This sheet does not pull up. I couldn't get it up without tearing it.